Welcome to the Oldsmar Climate Resiliency Plan, or CRP, Open House. My name is Ashley Painter, and I'm the Sustainability Coordinator and Project Manager for the CRP. The goal of this open house is for you to gain a better understanding of what the CRP is and how it will benefit you. I want to thank you for taking a few minutes out of your day to learn more about this project. The purpose of the plan can be broken down into three main points: to better define and address risks, to evaluate and prioritize future infrastructure improvements that will address these risks, and to prepare our community for a more resilient future. So what exactly is the CRP? It is a roadmap to help Oldsmar prepare for the future. First, it will identify climate risk and that will affect Oldsmar, like storm surge, extreme temperatures, sea level rise, and extreme rain events. We saw an example of an impact recently with Tropical Storm Eta. The storm surge caused large amounts of flooding in Oldsmar, and debris from the storm caused damage to the pier at R.E. Olds Park. Once we understand climate-related impacts, we will begin to prioritize the most vulnerable assets. Vulnerability is a combination of exposure to risk, sensitivity to the risk, and impact to the community. For example, Mobley Bayou has high exposure to storm surge, but low sensitivity and community impact, meaning that it is able to withstand the increased water and has minimal effect on city services. The final step in the CRP is to develop actionable strategies to help the city adapt to the coming changes. Now that we understand what the CRP is, why do we even need a CRP? The CRP will help us understand what climate change means to the city and to chart out effective actions based on that understanding. Our goal is to improve the quality of life for current and future residents of Oldsmar, while increasing the community's capacity to prepare for and respond to climate risks. So what is climate change? The technical definition of climate change is the atmospheric warming caused by greenhouse gas emissions. This atmospheric warming can result in a variety of changes to our norm here in Oldsmar, including changes to precipitation patterns, rising sea levels and temperatures, and above average frequency and intensity of tropical storms. So what are the climate-related risks here in Oldsmar? We can potentially see a rise in sea levels, extreme temperatures, rainfall flooding, storm surge, and extreme weather events like hurricanes and tropical storms. Now that we know what the risks are to the city, what are we actually looking at? We will be looking at assets across all city infrastructure. This includes water and sewer infrastructure, parks, buildings, roads, and stormwater and drainage infrastructure. So now that we've gone through what the CRP is, how are we actually going about creating it? We started off by identifying and modeling climate hazards. Next, we created an inventory of all the city assets. Then, we assessed the exposure of the assets to climate hazards. Next, we'll rank the vulnerabilities and prioritize what should be at the top of our list. And finally, we will identify adaptation actions that can be taken in the coming years to make Oldsmar more resilient. As part of the Climate Resiliency Plan, we were able to secure grant funding to update the Community Rating System, or CRS. The CRP and related planning process will benefit the community members by recognizing what is currently protected as open space, sharing information with the public, providing a better understanding of risk, helping the community recover from future disaster events, and identifying areas that are safer for development and redevelopment. The CRS is a voluntary program within the Federal National Flood Insurance Program. The actions taken by the city to help reduce flood risk help lower the cost of flood insurance for our residents. The city currently has a rating of 6, which saves residents within the special flood hazard areas 20% on their insurance. The CRP will help identify places where we can gain points to increase future savings to our residents. As you can see from this series of maps, the potential for greater impacts from storm surge will increase in the coming years, affecting almost all of Oldsmar. Many people think that if you do not live close to the coast, then you are safe from flooding. As these precipitation maps show, the flooding risks from extreme rain events have a larger impact in the northern and more inland portions of the city. The CRP will develop strategies to help reduce this flooding across the city. It has been over a decade since FEMA has updated the firm maps for Oldsmar. New preliminary maps have been released from FEMA and should be adopted this year. These new maps increase the special flood hazard areas in Oldsmar that require flood insurance. For more information on the CRP, visit resilientoldsmar.com.